Hey everybody, it's Jay Jackson here with a new video. So in today's video, I got exciting news. Guess what it is time for? It is the 2018 World Challenge. Well, not World Challenge. We know it's not the World Challenge, but it's known to most people in the world about now. It is the 2018 Summer Challenge. This is where you take $5 or less. You go to a garage sale, you go to a thrift store, a secondhand store, whatever venue you would like, and you will use $5 or less, like I said, to purchase an item or items. This is hosted by Hilary, formerly known as My So-Called Home, now Old World Home. So I will link the description of her channel in my box below, and I will show you guys what I ended up purchasing. I went to the Salvation Army and I purchased, voila, isn't it cute? It has, if you look at it, the little detail of bumblebees. I don't know if you guys could really see that, but it is on both sides. It is ceramic. I got 3 of these for 99 cents. Nice little nozzle here. And I also ended up getting this here as well, which was $1.99 and half off. So my total came to $4 for all 4 items. I thought it was a good bargain, so I'll probably do a DIY with those. Yellow is not, even though it's a summery like color, it's not something that I really have in my home. So I'll probably do a DIY and change the yellow to probably some like a soft beige or something like that, because that would go more so with the decor in my home. And so that's something that I'm going to be doing. And this completes my challenge of the things that I want. I will leave the description of all the other participants that are going to be participating in this challenge in the description box below. And I look forward to the next one, which will be in fall 2018. But right now, we're going to get started with this video. So let's get started. This worked in my favor. I had some spray paint on hand, as well as some clear sealant used off camera. Yo, what the snap? Okay, right. That's what we say. Okay, everybody, it's Jay Jackson here today. This is gonna be not good. Already looking forward to fall. Should I do that? I'm gonna end up editing this tomorrow. Yeah. Well, we'll see.